Question number 2. By consider the radius of each circle and the distance between their center, determine whether each pair of circles intersect, touch, or do not intersect. Okay, so this one, I think the equation is equal. So we have the center is 0, 0, and the radius is square root of 25, that is 5. Okay, so for this equation, we have the x squared minus 15x plus negative 15 over 2 square minus 15 over 2 square, y squared plus 8y plus 8 over 2 square minus 8 over 2 square minus 75 equal to 0. Then we have the x minus 7.5 square minus 7.5 square plus the y plus 4 square minus 16 minus 75 equal to 0. So we have the x minus 7.5 square plus the y plus 4 square, and then equal to, this one is the 7.5 square plus 16 plus 75. So it's 589 over 4. So 589 over 4, 589 over 4. When we square root this one, so square root the answer, then we have this, okay, which is 12 point something, 12.12. Okay, so the center of this is 7.5, negative 4, and then the radius is square root of 589 over 4, that is the square root 589 over 2, so which is the 12.13. so 12.13. So let's say this is A, this is B. The distance of AB will be the square root of 7.5 minus 0 square plus the negative 4 minus 0 square. So we have the square root of 7.5 square plus the 4 square, then we have the 8.5. Okay, so the distance of AB is at 8.5. So we have the R1, R2. So 13 point something. Okay, so we use decimals to sketch, to draw this graph. So in the exam we can sketch the graph. So from here we know that this is the distance of AB. AB is here. So the R1 plus R2. So for this case, it's actually the R1 plus R2 is 5 plus 12.13, 17.13. So the AB is less than 17.13, less than the R1 plus R2. Therefore, they are intersect. Okay, so the both circle will intersect. So this one also same, should be equal. So we have the 0, 0 is the center, and the radius is square root of 16, it is 4. So we have the x squared plus 3x plus 3 over 2 square minus 3 over 2 square, and then y squared minus 5y plus negative 5 over 2 square minus negative 5 over 2 square minus 6 equal to 0. So we have the x plus 3 over 2 square minus 1.5 square plus the y minus 5 over 2 square minus 2.5 square okay, minus 6 equal to 0. So we have the x minus negative 1.5 square, y minus 2.5 square equal to, so 1.5 square plus 2.5 square plus 6 is 14.5. So if we square root the answer, it is 58.2. So we have the root is 1.5, negative 1.5, 2.5. This is the center. Okay, so I will call it this B, and then this one I call it A. Okay, so just now this one also same. Instead of C, I will say it is A. Okay, A is the center of the first circle. So the radius is square root of 15.5. So 3.8 square root 58 over 2, then also equal to 3.8. 3.8. So AB, the distance AB is the negative 1.5 minus 0 square plus the 2.5 minus 0 square. So we have the square root of 1.5 square plus the 2.5 square. So it's square root 34 over 2. So square root 34 over 2, which is 2.9. Okay, the R1 plus R2 is 4 plus 3.8, that is 7.8. Okay. So this one also intersect. So the AB is less than R1 plus R2, therefore they are intersect. Okay. So if we use decimals, then we can see that they intersect at 2 points. Okay, done. C, this one also equal. So the first center will be the 0, 0. The radius will square root of 25, that is 5. So x squared minus 24x plus negative 24 over 2 square minus negative 4 over 2 square plus y squared minus 18y plus negative 18 over 2 square minus negative 18 over 2 square, and then plus 125 equal to 0. So we have the x minus 12 square, y minus 9 square, and then equal to, so we have the minus 144, and then minus 81 plus 125 equal to 0. So we have the x minus 12 square plus y minus 9 square equal to, so we have the 144 plus 81 minus 125, so it's 100. So the center will be 12, 9, and the radius is square root of 100, that is 10. So we find the AB, that is 12 minus 0 square plus the 9 minus this square, so it is actually 15. So this is R1, R2. So R1 plus R2 is 5 plus 10 is 15. So since AB equal to the R1 plus R2, therefore they are touch each other. Okay, touch at one point. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, we have the diameter here, so they touch at the 4 3 here. So D, we have the first center is 8, 0, and the radius will be 2. The second center is the 2, negative 5. The radius is 1. So the AB is the 2 minus 8 square plus negative 5 minus 0 square. So we have the 6 square plus 5 square. So square root of 6 square plus 5 square, then is square root 61. So square root 61 is also equal to 7.8. 7.81. Okay, and the R1 plus R2 is actually 2, which is less than AB. Okay, so they do not intersect. Okay, so by using decimals, so this is the graph. Okay, so they don't touch each other. Okay, so this one is 3 here, not 2. Okay, next we do D. So the A is 0, 3, and the R1 is square root of 9, that is 3. Then B is 8, 5, and the radius is square root of 1, 4, 4, 12. And then the AB will be 8 minus 0 square plus the 5 minus 3 square. So 8 square plus 2 square. So we have the square root of 8 square plus 2 square. Then we have the 2 square root 17. So which is 8.2. Okay, so the AB plus R1 is 8.2 plus 3, 11.2, which this is less than 12, that is the R2. So AB plus R1 less than R2, therefore they do not intersect. So do not intersect. Okay, so by using decimals, we can observe that they don't touch each other, they do not intersect at all. Okay.